Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check administrators in the Zello app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First you have to open up the Zello app, and here it opens up in the contacts list. From here we just go into channels, tap on a channel, then tap on the channel icon, and here we find administrators at the bottom. If you tap on this, then here we will find a list of the people that has been assigned the role of administrator. Here we can take it away from them, or just check out who these people are. If we have added someone by mistake, or if there's someone missing that should have this role. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.